Yes, 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 yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we are going to look at the markets. We are going to answer some questions, and we are going to look at, just crypto in general, the stock market, Forex, and we're going to look at the markets, and I'm going to give you my just how I'm looking at the market, give you my view. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and also hit those like buttons, okay? And if you are looking at the replay, hit settings, hit the speed button. You can speed up the replay. You can turn a half an hour video into 15 minutes, okay? Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get the party started. We're going to look at Bitcoin first, and we're going to look at some more cryptos. We're going to see what the market is doing, okay? We had a nice little up move today, okay? And I'm going to show you or tell you what I feel or think about the market. So let's get the party started. Shout out to everybody that's here or coming in the market. Let me see. I see a couple of people coming here. So all right. So let's get the party started. All right. So let's go to CoinMarketCap and let's see what we see on this site. So right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 66. Okay. Let me look at that real quick a little bit. Let me see. And shout out to everybody that's here. Guys, let me know if you can hear me good. Let me know if you can hear me good. My audio is good. All right. So the dominance is pulling back a little bit, not too much, but it's probably going to pull back some more. Okay. But overall, we will see what the market is going to do this year. All right. Let me make sure you guys can hear me. Okay, cool. So Bitcoin. All right, let's go to the 4-hour chart real quick. All right. So overall, we had this nice pop out of this channel right here. All right, and we had a pullback. I was trying to go live. But I just, sometimes it's very hard for me to go live because I just don't feel like it. But overall, I was going to go live and tell you guys that, this pullback doesn't look, it most likely we're going to catch support somewhere around here. And I was looking for a continuation. All right. But we talked about resistance right here. All right. We talked about this. So we did get this resistance right here. Okay. We talked about having multiple resistance. So this breakout zone, remember these breakout zones right here? This is where the market broke out right here. So we pulled back to this breakout right here. Okay. We saw sellers come in. All right. But the bulls came right back in. So that's definitely a good sign. Now, like I said before, we have multiple resistance. So we're going to have this level right here. Next, we're going to definitely have this big trend line. Let me zoom out so you guys can see what trend line I'm looking at. All right. This big trend line right here. Okay. So that's going to be resistance. So it's fighting a whole lot of resistance. And then, of course, this is the big resistance right here at that 13.9 level. So those are the levels I'm looking at. Nice little pop though. I like it so far. The market is looking strong. This looks like it's trying to push up. So let's see if it can actually hit that 10,000 level, because actually the 10,000 level could be another resistance level, because it's based on that round number. But overall, things look good, and we will see, how Bitcoin will perform when it hit those levels, because we all know that the halving is this what is it, this year. And we all know that, the crypto market always love to buy the news before it comes out, and then a lot of times they sell the news, right? So we will see, what's going to happen when the halving comes out. But overall, so far so good. Let's look at the Litecoin. Actually, let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin itself is looking good. We just gotta make a new high. We gotta make a new high on Litecoin. Ethereum. Nothing right here. Same thing. It's just waiting for that. We actually did create a new high. It's like almost a double top, but most likely it's going to continue. Let me see. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash definitely looks like it will probably continue to go back up. XRP. Let's see what's going on with that. XRP, of course, the lagger. XRP is lagging right now. It's barely making any highs, so but it could probably go back to this high right here, so we'll see. All right, but overall, Bitcoin itself is looking strong, so we will see when it gets to those levels. Let me see if I see any guys in the chat room here. If you guys have any questions, guys, type it in. If you have any questions, type it in. Okay. 1106, what's going on, bro? Noel, Flatter, what's going on, bro? Mike, what's going on? Bodyguard, you said coronavirus. Any chance you can take a look? Yeah, I would take a look at Tezos. What's going on, guys? You want me to look at the USD Tezos USD? Because let me see. Let me see if I get a better looking chart than this. This is the USD. It is definitely, trying to go back up. I don't like these crazy spikes right here, but it could definitely break out of this. It might create a new high. So we have to, see what's going on with that. Let me look at some more questions here. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And rest in peace, man. Kobe Bryant, bro. That's a crazy situation there. Rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. I couldn't believe the news. Couldn't believe the news. Sad situation. Let me see. I'm looking at these questions here. What about now, guys? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? How long I was without sound, guys? How long I was without sound? You know, like a good 5 minutes. All right. So basically, what I was saying is, I was saying that overall, the market is looking strong, and I'm trying to figure out, the next possible level, which is, the next level looks like it's probably going to be around, they're probably going to test that 10,000 level. That's a possibility. But I was trying to tell you guys, or say that long term, I'm still trying to figure out what these guys want to do. I'm just still trying to figure out, do they want to come back down to test the 3,000 level? Okay. If they do, most likely we're going to probably go below that 3,000 and probably catch support around 25, 2,000 and bounce back up. But overall, I'm trying to figure out most likely what these guys want to do, because we do have a lot of resistance to the upside, but we'll see. I told you guys I definitely do like this pattern right here, for a nice little bottom pattern. But like I said, we have resistance right here, and up top here. So we will definitely see. But shout out to Colin. Colin said, long time no see. Who else? Somebody else. JC, I believe too. Yeah, JC, shout out to you, bro. Yeah, it was my mic dropped, and that's what happened. So do you think that this bear market can end without? Yeah, I mean it could. Or was the drop in November? Let me see. November, right here. You talking about? Yeah, I mean this is definitely, this drop right here could be, that nice little washout move. Decent looking consolidation. So this could be a bottom right here, a possibility, but I don't know. I mean, the way I'm looking at it, I don't know. I still feel that they want to come back and test this, but like I said before, right now it looks like, this structure right here looks pretty good. So I want to see how they react to that 10,000 level, to this trend line right here and this top right here. Because they can do something like this. They can do something like this, right? They can just continue to go back up, right? And we can make a new high. Like I said, this is a lot of resistance right here, guys. This is not going to. I doubt they just going to burst, through this high right here, So I believe sellers might just come back in and, play around at this level, and then we can drop right back down, just to go right back down to this level right here, which is 3,000. Because I mean, it's the way they popped up right here. It's just, it right now it seems like It doesn't really, it seems like they want to still come back and test this. So like I said, we'll see. The best scenario would be, right, the best scenario would be this. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now. It would be something like they go up, come up, go up right here, and before they break this level, they hold the price. So you need some type of structure right here, and they break out. Okay, and then once they break out, they can basically come back to the structure, find support, and continue to go back up. That's the best scenario. If they do something like that, then yeah, we can probably see more highs. But this is a area right here. I would be surprised if I don't see selling going on, a lot of selling going on right there. All right, let's see here. Ashwin said, "Hey Ben, I hope you feel better." Yeah, I'm feeling much better, bro. I had a I don't know what you call it, cold or flu. I don't know what, but I'm straight right now. If you guys have any questions, type it in. Bodyguard said Bitcoin had its bottom in December 2018. XRP made a new 2-year low into December 19. So Bodyguard, are you telling me that the bottom? Guys, if you have any questions, type it in. While he answered that questions, we can go to other markets. If you guys have any other markets or any other markets you want to look at, Forex or stock market, we could definitely look at those too. If you have any questions, type it in. If you don't know anything about technical analysis, you can just go to the description below. So let's go to Forex real quick. Oops. Let's go to some couple of pairs. Let me see. Bodyguard said, "I didn't hear your question." I said, "No, you said the bottom. You said maybe BTC will make a new low. No, just like XO. Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, yeah, it's a possibility. Bitcoin probably will make a new low. It's a possibility. All right, so let's look at the USD. What's going on here? Basically, we have some sloppy price action going on. Real sloppy, but overall, this thing definitely looks weak, and it looks like it wants to continue to go down. I'm not convinced with this little bar right here, so most likely we probably see some more new lows. We do have some type of support right here, so it can bounce from here, but another support area right here. So those are two areas where it could bounce, but this thing looks weak. I do probably expect some new some selling going on with that. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are tuning in, if you have some questions, type it in. British pound, basically it's let me zoom out real quick. Let me see if we have any So we're dealing with this right here. I'm looking at some possible resistance right here based on this trend line. So that's a possibility, but we do have structure right here. Notice how we have structure right here, so it could actually do something like this. So it could break out of this, but overall it is catching resistance right here. Definitely have resistance. If you guys want me to look at anything else, we can look at some gold. What's going on with gold? So gold, we had last time I talked about gold, I said there's a possibility that we can break out and fall back, right? But if you notice that when we broke out, we just kept going, all right? I'm surprised. I'm not gonna lie. I'm surprised they, made a crazy jump like this. But overall, the market is a strong market, and and if you look at the whole situation, okay, we had, let me erase this right here. We had nice, consolidation right here, right? So we had a breakout right here. Notice how we came right back. So resistance turning into support. So this is a textbook support. I mean resistance turning into support, textbook. Nice little breakout. Okay. Honestly, the way I was looking at this, I was like, this could be a possible fake out just to go right back up. And I mean, just to go right, I thought this situation, I'm gonna show you right now. I thought it was gonna look something like this. Okay. And go like this and then go back up. But they just went straight through. Okay. And we had a nice little sell-off, but overall, I want to see how they hold this level. If they can hold this level right here, most likely we will continue to see new highs. So we'll see what's going on with gold. Overall, is definitely looking bullish. Let's see if they want to make a new high, which is, let me see, the high is what, 19. So let's see if they want to make gold 2000. Okay, let's see if they want to go to 2000. Possibility is looking strong. I didn't check silver in a long time. No sound. So my mic is messed up. Then I just dropped my mic, and I probably messed the mic up. So I'm gonna have to get a new mic. So how long? My mic was out. Did you guys hear about the gold when I was talking about gold? Since silver. Okay, so did you guys hear about gold when I was talking about gold though? Yes, you heard. Okay, you heard gold. All right, cool. Okay, cool. So silver, like I said before, silver. I this is what I thought was going to, go on with gold. You see how we broke out right here and we pulled back. I thought that was going to happen with gold, but overall silver, we broke out right here and it's pulling back, so we can actually probably catch support right here, or it could drop back down just to go right back up. All right, so that's what I'm looking at silver, but overall silver still looks like it's trying to we can at least break these highs right here, which is around 21 or something like that. It's just, overall silver moves, a little bit slower than gold, but it is what it is. Let's look at the stock market real quick. Let's look at the NASDAQ. Basically, overall, the market, just been crazy, guys. It's just going up every single day. Every red day is definitely these guys are buying every red day. Okay, every time it goes red, they buy it right back up. So there's no reason to fight the trend at all. There's no reason to fight the trend. Just go with these guys. These guys have a lot of money, so you just go with it. I don't see. I don't know, man. This thing going on for a long time, bro. And we do have, I believe we have elections this year, so most likely they probably don't want to crash it this year. Okay. Let me see here. 1 minute. Okay, go. Boop said, what's going on, bro? Boop said, Ben, please show me your IB contract agreement with AMP Futures. I don't have an IB contract with AMP Futures. Let me see here. So guys, if you want to look at any market, guys, just type it in. If you have any questions, type it in. Boop said, are you sure, Ben? Boop. First of all, you come in here, you're asking me a question. I answered the question, and now you're asking me, are you sure? Boop, do you have my course? Boop, do you have my course? Let's answer that question. Yes or no? What's the deal, Boop, though? He said, Chinese stock market, they have okay. I wouldn't buy retail courses from 90% of slaughter herd. Okay, Boop. If that's how you feel, then you on my live stream and you talking like this. Like, come on, bro. You on my live stream and you saying all this stuff. Hey Ben, can you check oil? Yeah. And anybody that wants to know if I have an IB agreement. First of all, if that's why I asked this guy, does he have my course? Okay, because if you have my course, then you know that one of the brokers that most of my students deal with basically is AMP Futures, and I don't tell you guys, I don't even have a link. Okay, like you would have to have a special link. I don't even tell you. I tell you guys to go directly straight to AMP. I don't give you guys affiliate link. And even if I did have an affiliate link, like what does that even matter? Like, you guys are so funny, bro. Somebody said something about oil. Okay, so oil was nice, right? Oil had a nice up move, right? We had resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. Okay. So as soon as we popped up, I believe we had oil news around here. Okay, we just the market was just going down, going down. So the way I'm looking at this is, it's a strong possibility we can just continue to go down. Okay, we can actually even make new lows right here, but this is definitely a support area right here. All right, support area right here. But yeah, so if we break this, because there's a lot of support right here too, so you have to understand too, there's definitely a lot of support right here. You notice support right here, right? Support right here, here, and here, right? These areas could act as support, so we could, potentially bounce around here. But if we don't, we can definitely come back to this area right here. But right now, it's definitely looking weak. It's definitely looking weak right now, right? I definitely expect some more selling when it comes to oil. All right, let's look at some more questions, guys. Make sure my audio is still good. All right, my audio is still good. All right. Oh man, that's funny. They telling Boop to go home. That's funny, bro. I joined 2017. I was a moon boy. Wow, you was right about us being in the bear market. Yeah, man. Overall, I'm looking at the whole structure of the market. And the structure is basically telling us that, we had resistance right here, and I was expecting sellers to come around this area, we did. So we dropped at least from this 3,000 to this high, we dropped at least, I would say 70%, right? Or 60, I don't know, it was like 60. Let me do the math real quick. So yeah, around 70%. So overall, that tells me that overall the bear markets is still in control. We are still making lower highs right here. I want to see how price reacts to these levels, and I'll go from there. But I always try to keep it real with you guys, and basically try to not get you guys excited when you see green bars. So guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. I'm about to what do you call that? I'm about to cut the live stream soon. So if you guys have any more questions, let me know. Hey, what's going on? Who knew? All eyes on 10,500. Yeah, so you're looking at 10,500. Yeah, I'm looking at the 10,000 area. I'm definitely looking at that as a possibility. That would definitely suck in some more people if it hits the 10,000 level. So yeah, that's definitely 10,000 is definitely on the table. All right, especially today we had this nice little pop and it's looking strong. So yeah, 10,000 is definitely the next level I'm looking at right now. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, yep. 10,000 is a nice little round number that most people look at. So what do you guys think before I get out of here? What you guys think? You think this you think guys, do you think this is the bottom right here? Around this bottom right here, we hit like 63. And do you guys think that we will continue to just make new highs, or do you think that we have to go down one more time before we hit a bottom? What do you guys think before I get out of here? What do you guys think? What's going on, Randy? Randy said S&P. Yeah, I looked at NASDAQ. It's, S&P and NASDAQ, same thing. Let me see. S&P 500. Hold on, guys. All right, so S&P 500, yeah, same thing. Basically, very, very bullish. Every time the market's selling off, buybacks. So yeah, I definitely expect a new high. New high. This could go on probably all the way until March, probably. Then we might see some selling. Nothing major, but a couple of pullbacks. But overall, man, this market is strong, bro. I think a lot of people are trying to short this market, so they're squeezing everybody out. But it is what it is. Can't fight these guys. Who knew says 63 was the bottom? You said 63 was the bottom. Who knew? 10K is possible, but I think 3K eventually. Okay, yeah. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking overall we will have to basically come back to the 3,000 level. It might not be now. They might do something like this. Like I said, they might just bring it back up to here and then eventually go back to here. And then they can do something like go back to here, break this low, this 3,000 low, and then shoot right back up. I just feel like they want to eventually test this level again. But like I said, we will see. We will see. We will see how it reacts to these levels. We go from there. We go from there. Let me see. 10K. Is it possible? Let me read. First, I need to see higher highs. Yeah, man, you definitely see some higher highs. Definitely need to get above 14K. That is true. Okay, definitely need to get above that 14K and hold those levels. Otherwise, we could go to 2K. Yes, I definitely agree with that. Randy said, been killing it with the longs on S&P. Yes, man, S&P 500. All you have to do is close your eyes. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice, but you just gotta close your. You can people just close their eyes and just press buy button. That's it. But overall, yeah, that's a strong market, man. Ben, somebody, you said some say after the halving 6K could be the new bottom because Bitcoin worth double. Okay, that's a possibility. We'll see. We will definitely see possibility. But like I said before, I just want to see how price reacts to these levels. We take it from there. But overall, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit those subscribe buttons, and if you want more information, just go in the description. Have some free training videos, and that's about it, guys. If you have any questions or any questions about anything, just email me. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you hit that like button before you leave. All right, I'm about to get some rest. Shout out to you guys. Appreciate it. And I'm out. All right. Talk to you guys later.